Inside this facility, heavy structural steel is transformed into precision industrial machinery. Operator protection frame. The process begins with high-tensile structural steel prepared for cutting. Precision plasma cutting defines the structural dimensions of the base frame.
Cuts progressing smoothly, no anomalies.
Beams are formed to create the core load-bearing structure.
Aligning now, hold steady. Pressure building, sparks flying.
Steel plates are precisely shaped for structural strength. Each panel is formed to engineer. Automated welding systems prepare for seamless joints. Precision welding bonds structural elements permanently. Every seam is refined for strength and uniformity. Drive systems begin taking mechanical form. Components are aligned for high torque transfer. Hydraulic systems are routed for smooth pressure flow. Critical drilling components are precision machined. Operator protection frame is built for durability. Clear visibility panels are fitted securely. The engine foundation is carefully aligned for precise integration. Crankshaft fitted smoothly to ensure optimal rotational balance. Each piston is installed with exact precision. Power transmission systems are joined for smooth operation. Hydraulic flow units are mounted and secured. Ensuring all hydraulic lines are leak-free and tight. Rotational drive units installed for maximum torque. Hydraulic movement is verified for full range and smoothness. Transmission tested for mechanical precision. Hydraulic system calibrated for maximum efficiency. Tested for mechanical precision. Operator protection frame is built for durability. Electrical systems are carefully integrated. Vertical support structures are assembled with precision. Vertical support structures are assembled with precision. Structural alignment guarantees safe and accurate operation. Strong welds bond mast sections for durability. Hydraulic actuators integrated for precise movement. Rotational components are tested for smooth operation.
All clear. Powering up the legs now. Watch the turret rotation. Keep back. Drill bit engaging. Sparks flying. Clear the area. Forward march. One step at a time.
Protective coating enhances strength and industrial identity. Hydraulic circuits topped and primed for operation. Powertrain fluids added to ensure smooth performance. Mechanical systems verified for optimal performance. Under operational stress. Electrical circuits fully operational and secure. Undercarriage mobility verified for industrial readiness. Vertical systems checked for full structural integrity. Electrical circuits are connected with precision. Electrical circuits are connected with precision. Control systems mounted for ergonomic access.
All fasteners verified for ultimate mechanical security.
Seating securely mounted for operator safety and comfort.
Control interfaces tested for responsiveness and accuracy. Initiating startup sequence. Pressure building, calibrating temperature now. Holding steady at 115 psi. Sequence complete.
Cabin structures are secured and reinforced for operator comfort. Control panels are fitted with precise alignment. Electrical systems carefully routed for smooth connectivity. Hydraulic controls integrated with exact tactile feedback.
Instruments calibrated for precise monitoring. Exterior surfaces verified for consistent finish.
Complete structural verification ensures industrial readiness.
Visual systems fully functional and bright.
Final detailing enhances industrial aesthetics and functionality. Every component comes together in perfect industrial harmony.
Welcome. Let's begin the full interior review of this machine. From the cab, you see advanced controls and a central display. The hydraulics and pistons power the legs, which move with precision. This design is built for stability and power.
The finished machine represents the final result of hundreds of engineered production steps. Every component you see begins as raw steel, shaped and assembled with industrial precision.